Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Alex Skerritt, and I am Channel Manager for Marketing in APJ. It's been a very busy start to the year for us here at Veeam. I'm sure it has for all of you as well. Our two leaders, Marco and David, are traveling at the moment, but we wanted to get these updates to you sooner rather than later. So in advance, they've recorded a message for you, which I'm going to play in a minute. I'll then come back on screen and we'll share with you some of the tools and resources that we've built with you, our partners, in mind to accelerate your business in 2024. Please feel free to add any questions to the questions pane and our team will be answering throughout the webinar. Anything that we can't get to today, we will get back to you within 48 hours with an answer. Now, we understand that your time is precious, so we'll get you out of here in less than 30 minutes. Please look out for more information on country specifics from your country channel leader or your channel manager in the next few weeks. Now, this session today is being recorded and we will send a copy of the recording, the slides, and some useful links for you in the next few days. The recording and the slides will also be hosted on the ProPartner portal for you to refer back to at any time. So without further ado, I will now virtually hand over to Macro Zhang and David Weekly to walk you through the 2024 enhancements to the Veeam ProPartner Program.
Hello and welcome to 2024. I'm Michael Zhang and I'm the new Vice President of the Channel and Service Providers for Asia Pacific and Japan. As we kick off a brand new year, I'm excited to stand before you today. I'm sure you are all used to hearing from my good friend and colleague, Belinda Jurisic, who has been shaping our channel ecosystem in APJ this past 5 years. Bell has taken on a new global role within Veeam and will continue to remain a friend of the APJ business. Please join me in thanking Bell and wishing her all the best in her new role. I intend to continue building upon a strong foundation of success as we enter 2024 and beyond. I'm honored to have been part of the Veeam team for 7 years, most recently as a Vice President for the Veeam China. These past few years have been some of the most exciting as we built the Veeam business in China from scratch, fueled by innovation, dedication, and a commitment to success. My experience has spanned from large MNCs like Citrix and Juniper, through to startups managing resellers, distributions, and ISVs. As I move to Singapore, I'm looking forward to traveling the region and meeting many of you face to face. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter for Veeam and our partners. You, our channel community, play a vital role in our success. 2023 was a brilliant year for Veeam. We introduced the Veeam Data Platform as part of our V12 release. We also announced new security vendors partnership, beginning with Surface, laying the groundwork for others. We continue our market leadership, with IDC naming us as #1 in market share and Gartner positioning us as a leader. Our acquisition of Service provides our customers new ways to access backup as a service, and we'll continue to build our platform to give you more opportunity for success. Investing in building partners' skills was crucial to our success in 2023 and continue to be a major focus for us in 2024. I'm pleased to see a record number of partners leverage our channel training to become certified experts. Last year alone, we had more than 18,000 certification badges issued across APJ. This shows the commitment that you have made to develop skills to help solve our customers' challenges. We will continue to provide you with tools, resources, and world-class support as we enter this new year and launch the enhancement to our Veeam ProPartner Program. Let me begin by stating that we have heard your feedback. I'm excited to share with you some changes that will accelerate our partnership. I'd like to hand over to David Wickley, APJ Director of Distribution, to walk you through the program enhancement in more details.
Thank you, Macro, and welcome to the team. Now, I'd like to take the opportunity to go through a few of the key enhancements that we've made to our program this year. Let's start with deal registration. In 2024, we've moved to a simple and transparent discount structure. Now, from February 1, Platinum, Gold, and Silver partners will all earn a 10% eligible deal registration margin. And for the first time ever, we will be introducing 5% deal registration margin for our registered partners. Our approach is to provide predictability for you and standardization globally. Now, for those partners that have heard me speak in the past, distribution deal registration for silver and registered partners is something that is really close to my heart. Now, I'm happy to announce that this program will still be available to you in 2024. We'll provide you with our full support, commitment, and protection to all approved partner-led opportunities that you bring to Veeam. And in the case of an approved deal registration ends up going to non-standard pricing, we will provide protected margin to the channel. Now, this is a great step forward and reconfirms our commitment to the channel and to you, our partners. One thing I've heard from many of you is the fact that we haven't really had a program that protects your renewals. Now, I'm thrilled to announce that in 2024, we have an incumbency protection program. Again, from February 1, we'll provide better protection for renewal opportunities with your existing customers. This program will be available across APJ, with the exception of Japan and Taiwan. As the incumbent partner, you will receive a price advantage on a per-contract basis. This pricing advantage will expire upon contract expiration. Non-incumbent partners will receive a lower margin from our distribution and will also be required to provide customer confirmation for a request for quote. We have also improved the way that you can see your incumbent renewals in the ProPartner portal, making it easier to maintain your renewal business. It was great to see last year everybody get on board with our competency program. For those of you who may not be aware, the Veeam Partner Competency Program elevates those partners that have demonstrated proficiency through training and proven go-to-market execution to deliver the best customer outcomes for modern data protection. The program offers partners the opportunity to differentiate themselves in the market within a chosen area of expertise, bringing a new level of visibility for you, as well as generating leads through our website. This year, you'll see enhanced training modules and new technical training, including brand new professional, engineer, and architect modules, as well as for Veeam cloud service providers. Our new trainings will be available later this quarter, and so I encourage all of you to jump onto ProPartner portal and get yourself up to speed. What better way to start the year than with a new certification or two? Now, we have changed the way that we reward you to be aligned with our strategic initiatives and growth goals this year, bringing in the expanded Veeam portfolio, rewarding you for new business, and identifying cross-sell and upsell opportunities. Specific details of the enhanced benefits and requirements for your country can be found on the ProPartner portal. Thank you again for your partnership, and we look forward to continued success.
Thanks, David. Now, you've heard about our program changes. How do you feel? I hope you are all as excited about 2024 as I am. We are committed to our joint success. I look forward to meeting with you in person as I make my way around the region. But until then, I'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to contact me directly. Thank you for being a key partner of our community, and welcome to 2024.
So as Macro and David did say, you will hear more from your country channel leaders in the coming weeks. Also, specific program details, including benefits and requirements for your country, can be found live now on the ProPartner portal. Please feel free to get in contact with your local channel leader or your channel manager for more information. At Veeam, we're invested in developing tools and resources to help you to succeed. And I wanted to spend some time today to walk you through these. I will cover Veeam Marketing Center, Veeam Concierge, our brand new incentives, and the Product Launch Center. So let's start with Veeam Marketing Center. In Veeam Marketing Center, we have built a world-class automated marketing engine that offers easy execution of co-branded campaigns that enable you to scale your marketing efforts to reach thousands of contacts and generate demand for your business. Veeam Marketing Center is free to use and is available for all partners, no matter what your level. It really is your one-stop shop for co-marketing with Veeam, providing you with a wide range of assets to help generate leads, increase customer loyalty, and achieve a quicker sales cycle. Assets available in Veeam Marketing Center include emails, landing pages, banner ads, content syndication, and co-branded videos, just to name a few. Included with each campaign are helpful playbooks and resources which provide step-by-step instructions on how to use the platform and how to execute a marketing campaign through Veeam Marketing Center. And if you're not sure where to start, let us help you. We have a team of marketing experts who can provide you with dedicated training and help with executing campaigns from Veeam Marketing Center. Our representatives are on hand anytime and will work with you to understand your business, your priorities, and then they will find suitable content and campaigns in Veeam Marketing Center. You can join a live demonstration or schedule a one-on-one call where a marketing concierge will help you choose a campaign based on your needs and will also guide you through the process. The marketing concierge team are also on hand for any technical support or help that you need throughout. We have concierge based all across the world, providing time zone coverage, including right here in Singapore. Sharon Sen, whose details I've included on the slide, on the screen, covers both English and simplified Chinese. So please do get in contact with her and accelerate your demand generation with Veeam Marketing Center. And just to call out some new and popular content, last year we launched co-brandable videos. So these are ready-made videos that you can easily customize through the tool by adding your logo, your value proposition, and your contact details. You can then download them, use them on social media, in emails, or play live during events. And Marketing Center is not just for the marketing people in your team. We also have a lot of salespeople who use Veeam Marketing Center to co-brand popular sales tools such as data sheets, white papers, presentations, and infographic, and then use them in meetings with customers or potential customers. And lastly, make sure to check out the partner success stories to learn how our partners from across the world are using Veeam Marketing Center to generate leads and to help close deals. Now, moving on to a topic which I think is of excitement to most of you on this call, incentives. Now, we understand the importance of recognizing you for your hard work and dedication, which is why we are thrilled to introduce a revamped lineup of incentives, which we have designed exclusively for you. And today I'm giving you a sneak peek of the incentives before they launch this coming Thursday, the 1st of February. So with our first incentive, you can earn up to $150 for closing a deal for Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365 with a net new customer of 200 seats or more. Under the high gear incentive, by upselling a customer to Veeam Data Platform Advanced or Veeam Data Platform Premium, you could earn up to $200 USD. And we're also awarding you for driving Veeam on AWS Marketplace by identifying and closing a CPPO deal via the AWS Marketplace for Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365, K10, and Veeam Data Platform. Now, these incentives will go live on the 1st of February and run until 31st of March, so the end of the quarter. Then we'll be refreshing and adding more incentives in Q2. So there's always a way that you can earn with Veeam. Please look out for an email announcement coming out later this week, plus full details of the incentive will go live on the ProPartner portal. And by now, I'm sure you all would have realized that the ProPartner portal is your one place for everything Veeam partner related. And a hidden gem on the ProPartner portal is the Product Launch Center. This is where you and your teams can get the latest and greatest information and assets available on new product releases, such as the Veeam Data Platform 23H2 release, as well as Cirrus by Veeam. Here you'll find short training modules, customer-facing decks, messaging guides, FAQs, and scenario cards. And lastly, stay connected with us. Connect with us on social media and by subscribing to our communications, our email communications, so that you receive the latest information on important product updates, invites to upcoming events, special offers, incentives, and so much more. Now, we understand that you get a lot of emails, and so we promise not to spam you or send you too many emails. And you can manage your email subscription preferences at any time in your profile on the ProPartner portal so that you only receive information that is relevant to you. So I want to say thank you for joining us today to learn more about the enhancements to the ProPartner program, including guaranteed protection to your business through the updated deal registration program, as well as the new incumbency program. We also touched on the tools and resources that we have developed for you to elevate your business. Please do look out for more information in the coming weeks on country specifics, or reach out to your channel manager for more information. Once again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to a successful year together.